Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
Heat 2 tablespoon oil in a large pot over medium heat and add 1 large diced onion, 3 minced cloves garlic, and 1 diced bell pepper. Sauté until softened and translucent, about 6 minutes. Stir in 2 tablespoon chili powder and 1 tsp ground cumin, then add 2 cans, 15 Oz, drained beans and 1 can 28 Oz crushed tomatoes. Pour in 1 cup vegetable broth and stir to combine. This creates the aromatic, savory base that will carry texture and depth through the cook. After spices bloom in the pot, add 2 tablespoon tomato paste and cook another 2 minutes to develop sweetness and color. Stir in optional vegetables like 1 cup frozen corn or 1 cup diced zucchini and lower heat to maintain a gentle simmer. Let the chili simmer, uncovered or partially covered, for 30 minutes to reduce liquid and concentrate flavors, stirring occasionally to prevent sticking. Taste and adjust salt, 1 tsp at a time, and heat with 1 tsp hot sauce or 1 tablespoon chipotle. Right before serving, stir in 1 tablespoon apple cider vinegar or the juice of 1 lime to brighten the chili and balance sweetness. Offer toppings like shredded cheese, chopped cilantro, diced avocado, sour cream, and sliced jalapenos so diners customize heat and texture. Spoon chili over rice or with a slice of cornbread, or use as a filling for baked potatoes and tacos. Cool leftovers to room temperature, then refrigerate up to 4 days or freeze up to 3 months in airtight containers. Reheat gently on the stove or in the microwave.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.